Hello, traders! Welcome to another edition of Weekly Forex Forecast, which is for 8th to 12th of March 2021. A quick disclaimer. This analysis is based on my personal opinion and not intended as financial or investment advice. Please ensure you understand the risk involved before trading next week. And for more Forex educational contents, do not forget to subscribe to our Forex Academy. The resistance trendline of the rising narrow wedge on the British pound sterling USD is still acting as a support for price. Next week, watch out for bullish price signal before go long. Alternatively, a bearish close below back into the rising narrow wedge will signal a more bearish move downward on the British pound sterling USD. The inverse head and shoulder on Euro USD has been invalidated. And the next potential bearish price movement is the swing low here. Also, don't forget the monetary policy statement fundamental factor on the euro next week. This news has a high influence on the euro currency pairs next week. USD Japanese yen broke the resistance level of the swing high here. So next week, wait for a bearish pullback before go long. Alternatively, a bearish close below the swing low here would signal higher probability of the bears retesting the previous support level of 106.933. USD Swiss bulls at resistance level of the last swing low high here. Next week, look out for price pullback to the last swing low here before buying. And a bearish close below the last swing low here would signify higher possibility of more bearish movement downward. The USD Canadian dollars is still in a choppy market. But the fundamental factors next week on the Canadian dollars, which are the Bank of Canada rate statement, the Canadian employment rate, and the unemployment rate will open up the next direction of the Canadian dollar's currency pairs movement. Also keep track of the USD fundamental factors next week, which are the USD CPI and the core CPI. The Australian USD currency pairs is in a choppy market. Likewise, the New Zealand USD currency pairs is a choppy market. It's advisable you stay off this currency pair next week. Thanks for watching, and make sure you ensure a reasonable risk-reward system in your trade decisions next week.